How to use dark mode feature in Google Maps. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. In Google Maps, by default, it's set to change automatically or between the light mode and the dark mode according to the time. If you are before the sunset, it's gonna be using light mode. If you're after the sunset, it's gonna be using the dark mode. But if you want to use the dark mode all the time, all you're gonna do is going to Google Maps. After you open Google Maps, click on the profile picture in the upper right, and then click on settings, and then click on theme. As you can see, you choose if you want it to be always in light theme or always in dark theme, or same as device. If you want the dark mode, you gotta click on always in dark theme and click on save. Now as you can see, dark mode is set to on. Here's the dark mode. If you want it back, go to the settings again, theme, and click on always light theme, click on settings. But that's only for the map, not the navigation. If you want to change the navigation theme, you gotta click on theme, go to navigation settings, and then scroll down. Here is, as you can see, the color scheme is set to be automatic. You can click on day or night. If you click on day, it will be always light mode. If you click on night, it's gonna be always dark mode while navigating. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.